Hi, I'm Rhea, and you're watching Rhea Speaks, where we learn real-life English with confidence. Let's get started. Have you ever been lost in a new city? Imagine this. You don't know the language. Your phone battery is dead. No internet, no map, no one understands you. What would you do? Today's story is about a tourist who gets lost in a beautiful city, but something unexpected happens that changes everything. Listen carefully because at the end of this video, you will learn new vocabulary, a valuable life lesson, and 5 English sentences that you can use in real life. So, let's begin. David was a young tourist from Canada. He loved traveling and visiting new places. One summer, he visited a beautiful city in Italy. Everything was exciting. The streets were full of colorful buildings. People were smiling. The food smelled delicious. David spent the whole morning taking pictures. He walked through small streets and busy markets. He was so busy enjoying the city that he forgot to check the time. Suddenly, he looked around. The streets looked different. He could not find his hotel. He opened his phone. The battery was dead. He had no map. He had no internet. He felt nervous. David started walking quickly. He asked a man, "Excuse me, can you help me? I'm looking for my hotel." The man smiled politely, but he did not understand English. David became more worried. After a few minutes, he saw an old woman sitting near a small bakery. She noticed that David looked confused. She walked towards him and smiled. Even though she spoke very little English, she wanted to help. David showed her a small card from his wallet. The hotel name and address were written on it. The old woman looked at the card carefully. She pointed towards a bus stop. Then she spoke to the bus driver in Italian. The driver smiled and asked David to get on the bus. After 15 minutes, the bus stopped near David's hotel. David was happy and relieved. He thanked the driver. Before entering the hotel, he bought some fresh bread and flowers. The next morning, he returned to the bakery. He gave the flowers to the old woman and said, "Thank you for your kindness. I will never forget your help." The old woman smiled warmly. She said, "Kindness is a language everyone understands." David returned home with many beautiful memories, but the best memory was not the famous buildings or delicious food. It was the kindness of a stranger. Tourist, a person who travels for fun. Battery, the power source of a phone. Confused, unable to understand something. Nervous, feeling worried or afraid. Bakery, a shop where bread and cakes are sold. Politely, in a respectful and kind way. Kindness, being helpful and caring. Stranger, a person you do not know. Relieved, feeling happy because a problem is over. Memory, something you remember from the past. Moral of the story: kindness has no language. A small act of kindness can make someone's day better. Always help people when you can. Speaking lesson, now repeat these sentences after me. Excuse me, can you help me? I am looking for my hotel. Thank you for your kindness. I am lost. Have a nice day. Speak slowly first, then speak again with confidence. Practice every day, and your English will improve. Practice sentences. Say these 5 sentences aloud. I like visiting new places. My phone battery is low. Can you show me the way? Thank you for helping me. Kindness makes the world better. I hope you enjoyed today's English story. If you learned something new, like this video, subscribe to Rhea Speaks, and share it with your friends. Every week, we learn English through interesting stories that improve your vocabulary, listening, and speaking skills. See you in the next story. Until then, keep learning, keep speaking, and stay confident. Bye.